Hi guys, welcome to ExcelWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to calculate median in Excel. So let's get started. Start by opening the Excel worksheet containing the data from which you want to calculate the median. Click on the cell where you want to display the calculated median. In the selected cell, type an equal sign and write median. Then open parentheses. Now select the range of cells. Close the function by giving a close parenthesis. Press enter. Excel will calculate the median of the selected data and display it in the chosen cell. That's it, you have learned how to calculate the median in Microsoft Excel. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at ExcelWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.